Good evening, Iowa. If you can believe it, we are still in the middle of winter and we do have a system slated to move through early to mid next week. So let's jump right into some of the impacts and what's going to happen. So for the most part, we're talking about accumulating snow across northern Iowa. Timing-wise, we're looking at Tuesday into Wednesday for this entire system. And once again, northern Iowa accumulating snow, resulting in impacts including, but not limited to, reduced visibilities during the heavier snowfall, snow-covered roads, and just general hazardous winter travel. Further south, temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer, so we'll be talking about a rain-snow mix through much of central and southern Iowa. Again, same time frame, and for the most part, the same hazards, especially during the periods of snow. And then Wednesday, kind of on the backside of this system, winds are going to pick up into around the 30-mile-an-hour range for gusts. So with snowfall upwards of 6 or more inches in northern Iowa possible, we could see periods of blowing snow. So again, reduced visibilities and snow-covered roads, and again, just general hazardous winter travel. So right now we do have a winter storm watch out, again, for northern Iowa, where we do expect the most snow. Details on this, we could see a little bit of expansion, maybe a little bit of contraction on it as we go through subsequent forecasts, so please pay attention. Currently, this is our forecast total snowfall. Again, this is through Wednesday evening. So you can see, again, I mentioned 6 or more inches across the far north. So right now we have 6 to 7 going in many of those locations. And then it tapers off as you get towards the Ames area down towards 2 to 3 inches. And then as you get south of I-80, an inch or less. I did mention the wind gusts as well and potential for blowing snow. So currently these are the forecast wind gusts on Wednesday. As you can see, many of those areas that are going to see snow are kind of right in that 25 to 30 mile an hour range. So again, any snowfall, freshly laid down snowfall could be blown around that day, making things fairly hazardous. Quickly summarizing those key points, we want to keep it quick given that this is the first update we're giving you, is accumulating snowfall across the north, again primarily Tuesday into Wednesday, with general hazardous travel impacts including reduced visibilities and snow-covered roads. Further south, we do expect some snow to stick to the ground, but there will be a rain-snow mix, so it's going to be less total snowfall than the north. Again, same time frame, and for the most part, same hazards. And then Wednesday, when the wind gusts pick up, blowing snow is going to be a concern primarily across northern Iowa. You've seen a lot of these before, so we'll go through them quickly. If you go to our main webpage, weather.gov/Des Moines, in the top left you can punch in your location, whether it be city, state, or zip code, and get a 7-day forecast. For anyone that does have to be out and about and travel, 511ia.org and the Track-A-Plow website from the Iowa DOT are great resources for you. And in addition, once again, we have our main webpage, and then if you drill down into it, we do have a winter DSS or decision support page. We are on a number of social media outlets, so besides the World Wide Web, we are on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, and occasionally on Periscope. Check us out. With that, this is the update, our first update of subsequent ones to come for this potential winter storm. So as I said, please pay attention to forecasts, and well, we'll see how it plays out. Thank you, and you have a good evening.